this 12-volt outlet out to do it the easiest way. If you can twist it, go ahead and twist it until it feels like it's locked in. Pull out at the same time, and I'll show you why in a second. And then take a trim tool from the top and just basically pop it out like this. And the reason why I twisted it is because it has a little tab here, and then on the other side a little tab here, and this has a cutout, so it makes it easier for it to slide out as opposed to here where it's narrower. At this point, let's go ahead and unplug it. Just press on the connector and pull it out. Make sure the wire doesn't fall back in there, otherwise you'll have to go fishing for it. And then we have to pop this black plastic ring off of here. So I'm squeezing this tab in over here. On the other side there's another one. Press that in. And then this tool, which comes with your new plug, will basically go in here and push the plastic piece out. So just like that. And this is what it looks like inside. Once you pry it in, it pushes out on the two connectors or tabs of this plastic ring here. And with that in there, you kind of have to put quite a bit of pressure on it. There we go. At this point, this plastic sleeve should slide further. However, whoever replaced this prior to me, which it looks like it was replaced, put it on backwards because these two lines that are here match up with the opposite side on this plastic cover. And it's going to be pretty hard to get this thing off. It was easier to slide it on just because they probably either use some pliers or a lot of force. But basically, because this is backwards and you can't spin it because it has this right here that prevents it from spinning it, what I'm going to do is simply take some pliers and just crush this part right here and basically bend this to make it smaller than the plastic sleeve. And once I've done that, I can basically pull the plastic sleeve out through this end, and we should be all set. I know this is a much more crude method of doing it, but it gets it off. And then you take your new one and you want to make sure you put it on the right way. So as you can see, it has the two grooves down here and the single groove at the top. So make sure you put the two lines that match up with the two grooves. At this point, you can help this along with some pliers if it's too stiff to do by hand. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes it's a very tight press fit. Just be careful not to damage anything. And once it reaches this point, I'm going to press these two tabs in. That way the this plastic sleeve can slide in all the way. There we go. Just make sure it's pressed flush up against the plug, the outlet. Just like that. Okay. Plug it in and make sure it clicks, and then line it up and press it right in. Sometimes you might have to help it along. I'm going to use this tool that I used to remove it. Just press this little tab in. There we go.